Good evening, class. My name is Bruce Small Jr. I'm a DBA candidate taking the Marketing Research and Consumer Behavior class taught by Professor Ashley Castle. We will be going over the Marketing Research Association's Code of Ethics and other ethics-related discussions and topics for this slideshow. The agenda is as follows. The first slide will deal with client confidentiality. Second slide will deal with the Council of American Survey Research Organization. Third slide will be do the right thing. Fourth slide will be do the ends, justify the means. And the last slide will be questions. Next slide is client confidentiality. Now, confidentiality's thorniest issue is figuring out where background knowledge for a previous client intersects with the information for the current client. A market researcher should never disclose information about a previous client's general business activities or results of a previous client's project. Think of it as attorney-client privilege. What one client tells that attorney then cannot go and tell another client. Just can't. It's against their legal canons. And something similar applies in the world of market research. How you take care of one client, you should not divulge that information to another client, even if that client wants it. The Personal Code of Professional Ethics states that our Code of Ethics states that you cannot use data from one project in a related project for a competitor. So even if you were to do a project for client A, then do a project for client B, and both client A and client B are both competitors in the same field, the market research has an ethical responsibility not to divulge information from client A and give it to client B, even if client B requests it. It just would be wrong. Now, the next slide is with CASRO, a Council of American Survey Research Organizations. This organization produces the world's top producer of intelligence, analytics, and insight. The council helped define the needs, attitudes, and behaviors of consumers, organizations, and their employees, students, and citizens. With that essential understanding, leaders can make intelligent decisions and deploy strategies and tactics to build trust, inspire motivation, realize the full potential of individuals and teams, and successfully create and promote products, services, and ideas. The CASRO or CASRO also has created a code of ethics that has been widely disseminated to research professionals. And this code of ethics, the market researcher's Bible, if you will, that they use when they conduct their business. The CASRO board has worked with groups such as Marketing Research Association to provide input to legislatures considering anti-marketing research legislation. So whenever you have anti-marketing research legislation, like providing a level of standard, level of excellence, a code for when you're putting advertising out there, such as false advertising, or make it bold in claims that may or may not be true. Organizations like CASRO want to make sure that whatever information is put out there, whatever marketing research techniques are used, are above board and 100% ethical. Now, our next slide there was do the right thing. When a firm has a market research team to carry out a project, the hiring firm is trusting that research team to provide the firm with accurate information. It is not enough for the market research team to simply carry out the mission. The team must do it in the most ethically way possible. It's the only way to operate. If businesses cannot trust market research teams to give them reliable data, more businesses will be doomed to failure, or at the very least, not achieve a higher level of success than they would have if they had accurate information. To the last slide. Do the ends justify the means? Never. The ends never justify the means in nearly every aspect of business. That includes market research. There are ethical standards that market researchers should adhere to. Maintaining high ethical standards will aid a market researcher in procuring good raw data for the research firm. Using unethical standards will result in data that potentially would not be usable and could give skewed or unusable analysis. So, do I have any questions for my brief but very matter of fact presentation? Thank you.